Hello and welcome to Meadow Bakery. In this video I'm going to show you how to make some homemade sprinkles. You need some fondant and some small cutters. You can have different shapes and colors as you want. I'm going to start off with this yellow one. So get a piece of yellow fondant. Put a little bit of icing sugar on your mat so that it doesn't stick on. Roll it out very thinly until it looks like this. And then get this little cutter and start stamping shapes out. You leave these to dry overnight. I am also going to use some of this red fondant rolled out really thinly, and I'm going to make some small heart sprinkles like this and leave them to dry overnight. When they're dry, you just get a little container and put them all in and seal them for when you need them next. Nice and simple. Thanks for watching. See you again soon. For more videos like this, visit my website www.meadowbakery.com. Please like and subscribe to my channel.